Hi guys, we're back again, and this time we're sharing something really fun.
We're here to talk about what we predict will be the biggest skincare trends of 2020. Let's jump in. The first trend is next generation actives. We've already started seeing incredible innovations in the delivery of active ingredients in 2019, like encapsulation, which is a delivery system that helps to mitigate the harsh side effects of actives, but also time releases them to give you a steady but gentle dose.
You probably heard us raving about how amazing encapsulation is when we released our Avocado Melt Retinol line, which stars encapsulated retinol, hyaluronic acid, and other ingredients to keep your skincare working all day and night. Because of this encapsulation, it also allows retinol to be used for the delicate eye area, which is great for those who suffer from milia.
Expect to see a lot more encapsulated products as well as other gentle delivery methods of actives in the new year.
Typically, you'll find the highest concentration of active in serums and masks, but we're expecting them to start to show up in the other steps of your routine as well.
For example, a good vitamin C serum is a staple in any skincare routine, but what about vitamin C moisturizers or day creams?
And we also know that vitamin C can help make your SPF more effective, so it would make a great addition to your sunscreen formula.
This is happening because advancements have made active ingredients across the board much more stable, which is exciting because it means we can wear products with vitamin C or retinol, which have historically been known as rather unstable during the day and not only at night.
Of course, you have to use SPF every day, especially after using these active ingredients. Our next trend has to do with one of our favorite actives, acids, and how they're coming from unexpected natural sources.
Every year, there's an increased focus on natural and clean products. So, of course, there has been a lot of research and advancements in the way that we can derive and stabilize new natural ingredients.
One of those innovations is naturally derived exfoliating acids. Traditionally, popular acids like AHA and BHA are derived from sources like milk or wheat, but we've started looking towards other sources that have additional benefits for the skin.
Botanical AHAs, which can come from the hibiscus flower or coconut flower, are more gentle and not as intense, so you see results over time with continued use. So if you're new to acids or just want to be extra gentle with your skin, it's a great way to still get the benefits of exfoliation.
When we were formulating our watermelon mist, our labs said that the flower AHA existed, but it was a little more difficult to source. Now that botanical AHA is becoming more popular, it's readily available and should be showing up in more places.
And speaking of a gentle approach, we think we'll see gentle skincare taking on a whole new meaning.
When you think of gentle when it comes to skincare, you might think that the products are ineffective or take longer to deliver results. But oftentimes, dramatic and intense changes to your skin can be harmful.
For example, a harsh, intense chemical peel might instantly exfoliate the top layer of your skin, but it can also cause redness, irritation, and make your skin more susceptible to damaging irritation. We think that the skincare world is going to adopt a slow and steady approach in the new year.
Especially in Korea, people have been calling out redness as their main skin concern. But it turns out that only about 20% of the people actually have sensitive skin. So something else, potentially harsh products, is causing this.
Redness is often a sign of irritation and could be evidence of a damaged skin barrier, which could be a result of overexfoliation or environmental stress. But these are just a few examples.
Your skin barrier traps in moisture and keeps out irritants, so keeping it strong is really important to your overall skin health.
To treat the redness everyone is experiencing, we expect to see a lot of calming ingredients like Centella asiatica or CICA, matcha, chamomile, turmeric, and konjac in more daily products, not just treatments.
And with overall skin health top of mind, we're expecting to see a shift away from the old skin types that used to dictate routines. Supplements and adaptogens have become a huge part of wellness routines in the past few years, and we've all learned exactly how beneficial they can be to the skin in addition to overall health.
While the topical effects of some minerals like zinc and sulfur have been widely acclaimed, in 2020 we're going to see a lot more minerals come to the mainstream as we learn more about their benefits.
One of our favorite minerals in skincare is magnesium, which helps to manage stress in the body and helps to calm and rebalance skin. We love it so much that we added even more of it in our banana soufflé moisture cream.
Because it's naturally found in bananas.
Another mineral we love is selenium, which is really antioxidant rich and can work as an enhancer of other antioxidant rich ingredients and formulations to enhance the protective properties of skincare. Another trend we're seeing is skincare that goes above and beyond your overall complexion. We're talking about skincare that's tailored to different parts of your body and their individual needs.
As you already know, the skin on your eye area is different than the skin on your cheeks, which is different from the skin on the rest of your body. One particular area that we're going to see a lot more innovation is for the lips, for example.
Just like the skin on your eyes, your lips have some of the thinnest skin on your body. When taking care of your skin, it's important to look beyond the face and make sure you're caring for your skin as a whole. Look out for different lip masks, scrubs, and treatments with skin beneficial ingredients that go beyond just improving your look of the lips and work on healing and nourishing the skin of your lips.
All of these trends lead to a new way of looking at skincare routines. Instead of following one specific formula, we're going to see a lot more people adopting the K-beauty philosophy of listening to your skin and treating it based on how it's feeling day to day.
One thing we notice, especially with our followers, is that people get really hung up on their skin type. And they use these blanket terms like oily or dry to dictate their routine without taking a close look at their skin and its individual concerns.
We get a lot of feedback from our customers looking for advice based on their skin types. For example, hormonal changes that occur as part of your monthly cycle or in response to your environment or lifestyle can cause skin to act differently.
That's why it's important to listen to your skin and check in regularly to make sure it's getting what it needs, which has always been part of our skincare philosophy.
The beauty community is a great way to share information about tips and new products, and now there's this huge pool of knowledge to aid in skincare discovery.
It's our goal to empower our community to build their own routine and choose what works best for them, and we want to keep spreading that message.
Sharing skincare education is our passion, and sharing new developments is something we're going to really continue to focus on in the new year. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what happens in the world of skincare in 2020.
Stay tuned for all the exciting things to come next year, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Get your glow on!